As someone who's on the go a lot, I love bars, but I'm really picky about them. This is one of my absolute favorites. I'm a chocolate peanut butter person. Reese's are my favorite candy. This hits the spot, especially when I want to reach for something sweet, but I want high protein. This is amazing. So you're getting 14 grams of protein in it. It also is high fiber. This one has 10 grams of dietary fiber, which is something I'm really working on getting more into my diet, is just a lot more fiber and that high protein. This is what it looks like. Also, it's organic, it's plant-based protein, has a good texture to it. Taste-wise, I think it kind of does replace a candy bar taste. It is a little bit on the drier side than like a Reese's, let's say, but it's super good. The chocolate amount to the peanut butter is perfect. It's delicious. These are just my favorite thing. I like to keep them in my purse, have them with me at all times. And if you haven't tried the Aloha bar, you got to try it. It's seriously one of the best protein bars out there.